channel. In this video, I'll go through all the search features that Google is testing over the last month, which is August. It's 31st of August now in Melbourne, Australia, where I'm based. So that's why I'm recording this video. If I notice any new search feature today, which most likely I will, I'll report that in next month, September. So this is a page on my website. You can just go to gagangotra.com and then just under Google search, Google feature test, you can look for August Google search feature test. And if you click on this, you will land on this page. And here at the top, I would just build up all the summary of the tests that I noticed. In total, we have got 20 this month. So I'll quickly go through all of them. And if you just want to read through, you can just go to my website and check it out over there. So the first test is a new UI for pins in local pack. Uh, for this one, right now we have pins like these, but Google is testing to make them now little more cute, I would say. And on top of that, Google is also rolling out some new UI changes in the maps as well. This was covered by 9 to 5 Google recently. And over here, you can see how it looks like right now. The one on this side and one on this side, this one shows how it looks like. What are the new UI changes that they want to make into the maps? There are some other screenshots as well, which 9 to 5 Google has covered in their blog post. All right, moving on to the next one. This one is related to local pack and how Google shows Google business profiles over there. Right now, if you search anything about let's say the product, let's say you search buy pants near me, usually Google show you the stores which are nearby to you. For example, in this screenshot, it is showing me the uh, uh, Kathmandu, Camberwell. And over here, instead of showing me the images of the store, it's pulling up the relevant product images from their store and showing it to me as a horizontal list. And over here, as in the top right corner, you can see that it is showing the label in stock. That is the most common label I have seen. I have not yet seen a label saying out of stock. So I'm not sure like if Google will be showing the images which are out of stock to search users, which I think they will not, because what is the purpose of showing something which is out of stock? And if user is specifically looking to buy that product near to their house. And also in the same one, they are showing the product name as overlaid at the bottom of the image. In this one, you can see it as well, like just over here. These are the names of the products which they are pulling from their store. I'm not sure if it is getting pulled from Merchant Center or not. But my most likely guess is that yes, it's getting pulled up from Merchant Center or either can be from the product pages on the website. Okay, moving on to the next one. Google testing last image a close-up of business location on the maps. This is also related to the local SEO and local map pack. And if you scroll through the images of a business profile, the last image is a local close-up on the location of the image, location of the business. So for example, for SEO Advantage, if I scroll through all the images, the last one will be this one, which is a close-up of the map and the pin is dropped on their business location. Similar is true for Shout Digital and yeah. This is also interesting. I think this will be useful for search users. Like when they're scrolling through the map pack, you can just scroll through the images and see that the close-up. And from the close-up, like even when I'm using Google search as just a general user, not as an SEO, I can clearly see that these kind of the map close-ups are really helpful because this gives me an idea about how far away I am this from particular location. So this is pretty cool actually. Moving on to the next one. Google is now testing showing short videos carousel in the usual videos tab. This is like pretty weird because we got short videos tab already and we got videos tab. Why Google is not like trying to keep these two separate? Now they are trying to mix together the short videos in the videos tab as well. And even in YouTube, like if you have been using YouTube, if you search anything, the most likely first couple of results in the YouTube search are short videos. It's not like they are trying to promote more of longer form content rather they are just pushing short form content. Perhaps that is to compete with the growth of the TikTok, but it is what they are doing. I find this like unhelpful to say the least. They should keep the short videos in the short videos tab, and they should have the other long form content in the videos tab only. Moving on to the next one, Google is now testing showing the playback speed buttons in search results. So whenever you search something, let's say if I search SEO and oops, no video, SEO market, shit, no video. Okay, bad luck. I'm just having bad luck then. Why no video is showing up? How to write a financial report. Let's see for this one. Oops. Sorry, I'm just having bad luck then. No video pack is showing up. How to build backlinks. Let's see. Yeah. So if you click on this one, it shows up like this. And in the mobile search results, they are now showing a playback speed button over here. I've not yet seen it being shown in the desktop search results, so that is something you note. And on the mobile search results, it looks like something like this. So when you click on any video, you click on the top right corner, the button to expand, it expands and opens up this kind of the UI. And just at the bottom of it, it's showing the playback speed 0.5, 1, 1.5, and 2. And users can select as their preference. So this is also really cool. And moving on to the next one, Google is testing some UI change to the short videos carousel. So on the left hand side, you can see it looks like this currently. I'm not sure like how can this particular UI be defined as well. And on the right it looks like this. The main difference is the time. Like over here for this particular video you cannot see how long that is, but on this one in the bottom left corner you can see that it is just a 30 seconds video. So this is also something that you can watch out for if you create short video contents where your target is to rank in the short videos carousel and get traffic from there. And next one is see also in knowledge panels in the desktop search results. So we have seen like previously Google has been testing this see also for mobile results. I have tweeted it, and let me open the tweet. So this tweet I think I posted on 1st of August. So it's almost been a month. And over here, they have been adding see also to the knowledge panels in the mobile search results. For example, if I search for Elon Musk, all the related entities or the businesses that Elon Musk is running or the people he's associated with or people who are getting mentioned with him in in the recent news who are also showing over here as a see also. And now Google is also expanding that same thing to desktop search results, which I think looks really bad because if you see in the screenshot that I shared on Twitter, it shows as if see also here, fellow of the Royal Society, and then there is nothing over here, which just looks ugly, I think. Either they should, sorry, either they should try to find some other way to do it, or maybe just not do it in the desktop search results. Okay, moving on to the next one. This one is like really weird one because Google is testing some fallback favicons in search results. So if Google is not able to pick up the favicon that you have set up for your site properly, then they're gonna replace it with some of these favicons. So far I have noticed like 4 of these variations, and you can go to the page and see what are all of those variations. And I have attached like so many screenshots of these if you just want to grab these and add into some slides that you're going to present in some SEO conference. And feel free to use them, but just add the say the citation or give me the backlink. I will love some link juice. Okay, next one is Google is testing background color for the feature snippets. This is pretty obvious. It looks like the knowledge panels right now. Right now, the knowledge panels have the background color, which keeps on changing depending on the query type. And now they are testing doing it for featured snippets as well. Google is testing hover over dynamically changing the product image in the product panels. This one is like pretty obvious. If I play on this video, you can see that over here in the product panels. Earlier, it used to be that you have to click on a specific thing, like on this one, to see this particular image become bigger. But now you can just hover over these, and it will automatically switch the larger image to the one that you are just hovering over. You can check out the video by going to this page. I think this will be useful for search users to just hover over, see the bigger image, make the decision to purchase the product, and just do the checkout on the site. Next one is Google is testing a blue background for the images when they are selected. Pretty obvious from the screenshot that I shared. Here are some other examples. And next one is you visit often label. And this one shows up if for a particular query you are visiting one URL really often. For example, I'll show you SEO. For example, when I search SEO, I usually go to the Google's page, this one. So over here it is showing you visit often label. And now they are testing another variation of this one. If I'm searching a particular keyword and I'm going to a couple of pages, then they are testing adding this accordion at the top of the search results page, where they list the multiple you visit often pages for a given query that I am visiting. Next one is AI overviews generated descriptions of the site in the about source, which shows up when three dots next to the URL in search results right click. So for example, for this particular URL, if I click on these dots, it shows me this. And if I click on more about this page, it shows me this whole section. And over here, we can also see that there is a description of the site, and Google is now testing generating this description using the AI overviews and not like fetching it from their own site or fetching it from a third party site. I'm not sure like how they're gonna handle if a site don't like their description that is generated by AI overviews. Maybe Google should give a control to a site owner saying that if they want their description to be generated by AI overviews, and I don't think that they will give these kind of the controls to site owners, because even right now AI overviews cannot be controlled. So for example, in US, if you users don't like to see AI overviews in their search results, there is no functionality that can help them to turn it off. So I don't think that the site owners will get any type of specific button or a meta tag to let Google know that they don't want their site description to be generated by AI overviews. We will see what happens with this one over coming months, because Google is doubling down on AI overviews. So I expect that we will see more about it, but we just need to wait and watch. So here are some of the screenshots where the site description is generated by AI overviews, and just below that, it says AI overviews are experimental, learn more. And do note that even for this one, they are adding the citations to the URLs from where they are picking the relevant information. I shared a lot of screenshots of these, so you can go to the website and check it. And next one is Google testing hover over bluish background for meta info in search results. I think this is, if they roll out this one, it's going to be a big change, because it makes search results look completely different than what it is right now. So if I play the video, you can see. All right, you can watch the rest of the video by going to my website. And next one is a new UI for local pack in desktop search results. So this one is also like related to local SEO. So If you click on any one, the map just squeezes in, and then the rest of the bar is opened on the right hand side. I think this is really useful. Moving on to the next one, pills like Sidelink and desktop search results. I think these pills like Sidelinks, these looks real ugly in desktop search results and even in the mobile search results. So I think that Google should not make this change in search results. Next one is blue outline for images when they are selected. So if you select this image, it is showing like a blue outline. This is not like a major change anyway. And it is also showing up for the products in the product grids and in the shopping tab as well. I'm not sure like what is the purpose of showing a blue outline when the image is selected. Some users may find it useful, but not for me actually. Scroll through local pack, Google business profile. This is a minor change. And then Google has been testing a lot of different variations of YouTube video, sorry, the video pack in search results. Mostly it shows the YouTube videos. So I've documented three different variations. This is the one that is currently shown to the users in mobile search results, and these are the three another ones that Google is testing. There are like minor differences in these ones. These are like the same UI, but some of the things are just moved around. And just another one here. So these are all the tests that Google is doing in month of August, and we will see over time if they roll out these to the uh, search users. And if they do, I'll report it on my Twitter account, and you can follow me over there. My handle is gagangotra_. And you can check out this page by going to my website, gagangotra.com. And then just in the menu, you can see Google feature test, August, Google search feature test. And by clicking on that, you can come on this page. And for example, if you just want to check out this one, you can also click on the link icon and it will scroll you down to the relevant search feature test and show you the relevant screenshot or the video as well, so that it's easier for you to understand the each specific test if you are just interested in the one or two, checking out one or two. So that is it for a month of August. It's really late here in Melbourne, and I think that I should turn off my computer now and go to sleep. And I'll keep on reporting more tests in the month of September as well. As soon as I notice something, usually I post it on X, and then I'll be documenting the same thing in my September Google search feature test blog post. And at the end of the September, I will also create a similar video like this. So, and also like if you are looking for SEO services for your business, I would recommend reaching out to me if you're interested. You can do so by going to my website and clicking on this contact button. Over here, you can see my beautiful picture. I hope it is beautiful. And my email is over here, su@gagangutra.com. You can reach out to me over here, or you can just book an introductory call with me for half an hour. It's totally free call. We go through whatever your business is. You explain to me things. If I have any questions, I ask you those questions. And at the end of the call, you can decide like if you want to work with me and get the benefit of my SEO expertise, or if you don't, then still having an introduction call is still a great thing. I think just knowing each other is good. And that's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.